Hi, have you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel? In today's video I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue. I hope this video will be of help to aspiring YouTubers, most especially gaming YouTubers, and will be educative for all. First of all, we'll start with the requirements for monetization, in this case ad revenue. Monetization isn't available in some countries like Albania and Afghanistan. Ensure you have no community guideline strikes. Make sure the step verification is turned on. You also need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, or 10 million shorts views. For ad revenue, these are the requirements. Once you pass the requirements, you receive an email to apply for monetization. Here's mine, which I received in November last year. Unfortunately, after applying, my AdSense application was rejected at first. But later on it was approved and I started monetizing. I made my first video on March 2022 and I became eligible for monetization at the end of November 2022. That took me approximately 9 months. My channel analytics. Let's first see the Earn tab. Now that I'm monetized, it shows me various ways I can earn money as creator. You can earn through watch page ads. These are the ads people see on videos. You can also earn through shorts views. Memberships too. I launched my channel memberships 5 days ago, so I don't have any channel members yet. Once you have members, their information and revenue generated would be displayed here. Now that my membership perks have been launched, if you'd like to join, please do. The link is on the pinned comment, or after subscribing there's a join button. You can also earn through supers, super chats and live streams, super stickers and super thanks. You can earn through merchandise too. Since I haven't earned through these methods, my revenue is purely from ad revenue and YouTube Premium. Let's go straight to my revenue analytics. In the last 28 days I earned $74.86. Let's check out my best and worst months. February was my lowest earning month with $17.5 revenue. My first week of November is even higher than the entire month of February. It's arranged from highest to lowest. September was my highest earning month with an estimated revenue of $110.76 USD, followed closely by August, $95.88. While other niches have high CPMs of up to $30, the CPM for the gaming videos ranges from only $1 to $5. CPM is the amount of money advertisers are willing to pay for every 1,000 AD views. My highest CPM was $5.42 from September, which was also my highest earning month. While my lowest CPM was $2.97 from March. On February, my lowest earning month, my CPM was $3.06. My total revenue earned for the period I've been monetized, for the 11 months I earned $583.35. $572 from ads and $9.89 from YouTube Premium. If I was doing a different high-earning niche that's not gaming, I'd have made $2,500 plus for the same amount of views. So my channel was monetized on December 6, 2022. On this day, I earned $2.52. As you can see, from December 2022 to June 2023 the graph is low. Starting mid-June, I changed how I made my videos and the revenue started to increase. My highest earning day was on September 16th, where I earned $11.28. Next up, let's see my videos performance versus revenue generated. By the time of this recording, this is my most viewed video. This video gained a total of 41.9 thousand views and $120.88 estimated revenue. This is also currently my longest uploaded video on the channel. This video had a CPM of 5.91, my highest so far on the channel. The RPM was $2.9. RPM is the money I earn per every 1,000 video views, while CPM is what I earn per every 1,000 ad views. So basically some video views don't have ads. My second most viewed video on the channel. With 41.8 thousand views, I earned a total of $30 from this video. This is the video that led to my monetization. It already had about 25,000 views by the time I got monetized. So basically of the 41.8 thousand views, about only 16,000 views were monetized, thus the $30 total revenue from this video. It had a CPM of $3.98. For this video I was trolled left, right and center. 11.2 thousand views earned me $12.77 revenue. So the CPM was $3.37 and RPM 1.1 for dollar. Anyways, it was on January. Advertisers are always not willing to pay much for ads on January. Here's my earnings per video, all my videos. It's a range from highest to lowest. The difference between my highest and second highest is $80.
I earn an average of $7 per video.
Most of the videos with less than $3 are videos I made before monetization. Before we see how brands pay, brand sponsorships, my YouTube membership perks were ready on the 2nd of November. You can now join my channel membership. Use the join button or the link in the pinned comment. An average of $45 per 1,000 video views. If your channel gets more views, you'll be paid more.